Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you and show you how you can very easily change the speed of video playback in TikTok. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, when you open a video in TikTok, then here you can change its playback speed to more or less. What do you need to do? To do that, you'll need to click on the video and hold it down. And then here you can see this clock sign. And also called this playback speed, you click on it and here, as you can see, there are several speeds, 2x 1.5x normal speed, which is what plays all the videos, and also 0.5x pause. And so if you select, for example, 2x. So as you can see, this video is speeded up and now it's at 2x speed, and it plays very fast. But if you go to the next video further down, they will all play back at normal speed, and you'll have to change the speed again. Because you can only change the speed for one video. And of course, if you say, log out of TikTok and log back in, then all the videos will play at normal speed. I hope that this video has helped you. You have seen how you can change the playback speed in TikTok. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write your comments, and see you later, friends.